Hello Primary 7s, today we're continuing with division and you're going to need a pencil or a pen and some paper to try the examples for yourself. Today we're thinking about dividing by 2-digit numbers. So we're going to use our coin facts to help us to find some division facts. And the first one we're going to do is 65 divided by 13. So get your pen and paper ready. We need to first of all write out our coin card. So we did these right back at the very start, right when lockdown began really. We looked at coin cards. So we're going to write that out for the times by 13. So you fill in your numbers, 1 13, 2 is 26, 5 is 65, 10 is 130. And that's going to help us work out how many 13s are in 65, because you look at your answers here. We've got times by 13 and it's 5 times 13 is 65. So that's your answer. Okay, we're going to do another example. So it's 280 divided by 14. So the number that you are dividing by is the number that you're going to use for your coin card. So get your pen and paper ready. Draw out your coin card for multiplying by 14. So you're going to go ahead and fill that in. I'll quickly scoot through this one so it's done for you for the example. And then you use that to help you to work out how many 14s are in 280. So you look down your answers and you're looking for a number that is beside or close to 280, and it happens to be exactly 280 if you multiply 14 by 20. So the answer to 280 divided by 14 is 20. Okay, another example. This one in fact has remainder, so this would be your sort of trickier examples. And this one is 68 divided by 13. So again, you still need to draw out your coin card. So it's timesing by 13 because we're dividing by 13. If you go ahead and fill that in, we've got 1 times 13 is 13, 2 13s are 26, 5 13s are 65, and 10 13s are 130. You're going to use that to help you by looking down your answers once again and finding the answer that is not bigger than 68, but it's very close to 68. So if you look at your answers here, we've got 5 13s are 65, so that's very near 68, and it's the nearest we're going to get from the coin card. So we know that 5 13s are 65, so it's 5, and how many is left over? You would take 65 away from 68, which leaves us with 3. So our answer is 5 remainder 3. Okay, example 2 with remainders, we're going to do 286 divided by 14. So once again, you're drawing out your coin card. This time we're dividing by 14, so your coin card is timesing by 14. So you go ahead and you complete your coin card, and then we use this to help us to find the answer. So we look for the number that's in the answer section that's near 286 but not bigger than 286. And as you can see, the 20th multiple is 280. So that is our answer, and we need to take 280 away from 286 to find our remainder. So our answer here is 20 remainder 6, because 286 take away 280 is of course 6. And there's a wee diagram there to show you that we've done 20 times 14, which takes us up to 280, and that leaves us with 6 left over. So it's 20 remainder 6. Lastly, we've got our even slightly trickier versions. We're going to combine 2 or more coin facts to help us to solve some division sums. So the first one is 96 divided by 16. So it just starts off exactly the same. You're going to do your coin card, and we're dividing by 16, so our coin card is timesing by 16. So you go ahead and fill that out. Then we're going to use the details in the coin card to help us to find the answer. So if we look at here, we know that 5 times 16 is 80. And we know that 1 times 16 is 16. And if we were to add 80 and 16 together, we would get 96, which tells us that 6 times 16 is 96 because we've added our fifth and our first multiples together. So 5 add 1 is 6, 6 times 16 is 96. So that's our answer. Here's a wee diagram just to show that 6 16s brings us to 96. So now it's your turn to go and look on Teams to find your resources, and in Teams you'll find that there are 3 different levels for today's tasks. You've got mild, hot and spicy. So mild is division with no remainders using one coin card fact, so just like the first couple of examples we did. Hot is division using remainders and one coin card fact, and spicy is division using 2 or more coin card facts. It just adds in that little bit extra challenge for you. So that should be in your Teams over in Files in today's date in the folder. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to get in contact with your teacher. We're here to help you. I hope this PowerPoint has helped you understand today's jobs, and we look forward to seeing the completed work.